Ever thought selling your land or house was just about finding a buyer and sealing the deal? Think again, because the taxman is watching, and this time the taxman has won. The Kenya Revenue Authority, famously known as KRA, has secured a major legal victory in a hotly contested case involving property disposal taxation, a move that could shake up how Kenyans handle real estate sales and transfers going forward. Let's break it down. A property owner who sold their land for a tidy sum argued that the transaction should not attract capital gains tax. That's the tax charged on the profit you make when you sell property. The seller claimed the property was exempt. KRA said, "Not so fast." The case went to the Tax Appeals Tribunal, and after arguments on both sides, the tribunal ruled in favor of KRA. The result: the seller must now pay capital gains tax, plus possible penalties and interest. A serious wake-up call. Why does this matter? Because this wasn't just a one-off sale. It sets a precedent. KRA is sending a clear message. Whether you're selling land, a building, or transferring property to a relative, you better be sure the correct taxes are paid, or be ready for a legal fight. Let's not forget, capital gains tax was reintroduced in Kenya in 2015, and for a long time, enforcement was patchy. But KRA has been stepping up, tightening systems, and using technology to track property transactions. They were on a mission to seal tax leakages, and they are doing it with precision. In the court documents, the tribunal emphasized that tax exemptions must be clearly proven by the taxpayer. If you claim exemption, you need supporting documents, accurate records, and full compliance. Otherwise, KRA's position will stand, and there's more. This ruling could affect real estate agents, lawyers, land dealers, and families transferring property. It's no longer business as usual. If you thought a backdated land transfer to a cousin would go unnoticed, think again. For years, many Kenyans have operated under the belief that land sales, especially family-owned or small-scale ones, can slide under the radar. But with this win, KRA is making it loud and clear. There is no property too small to tax. Now, here's what I think, and I'll say it straight. Taxation is important. It builds the roads we drive on, the hospitals we visit, and the schools our children learn in. But KRA must also be fair and transparent. While enforcing the law, they must also educate. Many Kenyans still don't fully understand CGT, and ignorance often lands them in trouble. So here's a call to action. KRA, keep educating, and Kenyans, stay informed. Before signing that sale agreement, talk to a lawyer or a tax advisor. It might just save you a courtroom headache. This ruling may be a win for KRA, but it's also a warning for all of us. For Sauti Mzalendo, speak loud, stay woke, pay smart.